DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang. What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco back in this bitch with another reaction. You see me? And this is what we are doing today. Yeah, man, we're back in this bitch with none other than the Spartan boss. Yeah, man, Tamale Sparta. Artists who react to frequently over a channel, gang. So we are the family with Tamale. I ain't even gotta explain much. Spartan boss, veterinarian veteran, he's definitely like the I would say like the grandfather, godfather, the father. Enough of these new generation dancehall artists, no joke. Yeah, man, gang, but yeah, man. Today we there with Tamale Sparta, the one named War. You see me? And we're gonna check it out and see dog and deal with Spartan boss, one of the best in the game. So we expect nothing but greatness. We don't hold up the vibe much longer. I jump right in the track. You see me? I say, gang, yeah, Spartan boss, Tamale Sparta, War. Yeah, man, gang, we don't hold up the vibe much longer. Jump right in it. Let's get it. Alright, dog, all blackout. Oh, go on. You definitely know some war things, some bad man. Alright.
Heavy rifle.
All black.
Spit saliva. The rifle them lift up and beat them free. Whole place smash up when Sparta step hard like elephant feet. Have some militant girl what we make him mother baby a coffee no real.
Whole place mash up when Sparta step like elephant feet. Yo, this thing gonna easy, you know, man.
1 feet. Have some militant girl what we make him mother baby a coffee no read. Pull up on your hands extension, military weapon, 21 day.
So military weapon make your mother be a coffin and rape, nigga, boy.
Pull up on your hands extension, military weapon, 21 day. 21 day. You want war? We bring beef. Finchons wanna roll with teeth. Shut a fight fists and the boys up the concrete. Be a good man in a clique.
Damn, you hear that flow switch, bro? Damn, nigga, want war. You see me, we bring beef, nigga. I want to your man, come on, say less. If you want to, we bring it to you like Amazon. Come on, man.
Shut a fight fists and the boys up the concrete. Be a good man in a clique. So anytime you want to see a man.
I fly through chest and I bust up the concrete. Listen to you, man.
We bring beef. Finchons wanna roll with teeth. Shut a fight fists and the boys up the concrete. Be a good man in a clique. So anytime you want to see a man, pussy try run up and see.
Anytime you want to see you make a nigga run up and see no fussy. Eh? Right, man.
So anytime you want to see a man, pussy try run up and see. Be a good man in a feel. Say the pussy them afraid.
Yeah, man, you don't go feel, man. Who can hear go feel, you know? Yeah, man, that's how we deal with them, man.
They wanna go feel. Say the pussy them afraid. Take them food and capture them wife and tell them coffee more brain. All them attack.
Man said take them food, capture them wife and tell them coffee more bread, boy. Yeah, man, boy, we are sending you out. Yeah, man.
Food and capture them wife and tell them coffee more bread. All them attack and I run up
extortion.
Them none of them no better than they. When jump to wall and circle them in.
That's facts, you know. All them attack, you know. Nobody no better than that, you know, dog. That's facts.
None of them no better than they. When jump to wall and circle them in and mash up him head.
Bro, how would them two dance in their background? Me just notice them. How would the budgie? Notice them two dance in their background.
Who see them afraid? And gifted boy, from a try this system boy, gunshot twist him flicking. Him a gonna twist like this.
Easy no man. Oh my please, man. Hey, rifle. Hey, right now, rifle walk with it in the background. Blood, easy. How them two white backup dancer, yeah. Tamale no easy.
Him a gonna twist like biscuit boy, send two bad girl tricking. So you say you mistake boys, you gonna lick in.
Two bad girl chicken, man. You say a mistake, you see me?
You say you mistake, boys. You're gonna lick in. Don't war, wicked state. Black chick on a man can see. Just a licking eye, me back and I broke up him teeth. Then I cocky pussy don't keep. Tropical and must sweet like a venomous breeze.
Easy, man. Tropical. Hey, chopper about sweet like a tropical breeze.
Back and I broke up him teeth. Pussy don't keep. Tropical and must sweet like a venomous
tropical about sweet like a venomous breeze. Okay, alright. Think I that.
Tropical about sweet like a venomous breeze. Anyway, we come read. I better feel me bumbo can't even. So go and feel me bumbo can't even. Me no hear my miss.
You no feel me bumbo. You go and feel me, go nigga. And see what happen. You see me as a.
So go and feel me bumbo can't even. Me no hear my miss. Head shell out, pain and green. Be a badness, be a darkness. Mama pray for me.
Yeah man, boy, we no shoot and miss my youth. Head shell out and be a bumbuckly grief. You see me and say, yeah man, come in now man.
Be a badness, be a darkness. Mama pray for me. Any day I want to see a maker. Pussy try run up pussy. Kill up gunshot in your ass down. Let the whole I wanna go feel. Go on war, ribbing beef. Think chance when I roll.
Clap going, hey, clap shot in your ears drum. Better not go feel, nigga. Yeah
I
man.
wanna go feel. Go on war, ribbing beef. Think chance when I roll with teeth. That I fly 3 fists and the boys up the concrete. Be a gunman in I click.
I fly through flesh and I bust up the concrete, my youth. Yeah man, that's a high power rifle I bust, you know.
So anytime I want to see a maker. Pussy try run up pussy. Be a gunman in your area. Make the whole I wanna go feel. When I ready, just try. We full of kings and we full of big ties. Hold up on the ferry, them a chick no flick fries. Make y'all a bossy berry.
Yeah man, just try, brother. You see me full of big thing and full of big hey.
Make the whole I wanna go feel. When I ready, just try. We full of kings and we full of big ties. Hold up on the ferry, them a chick no flick fries. Make y'all a bossy berry, make your funeral cry.
Bumbo cry. Yeah man, you ready up ready? Yeah man. Yeah man, you ready up ready man. If you're ready, run up if you're ready man. You see me try that full of big things, full of big ties, brother. You see me?
When I ready, just try.
Run up ready, just try man. Just test the thing man. I want you man.
Hold up on the ferry, them a cheap no flick fries. Make y'all a bossy berry, make y'all.
Them a cheap and no flick fries, you know nigga. Them a cheap and no flick fries.
In a right cry.
Them shot fly through your iPod. Leave a rifle. Gunshot does a spit saliva.
Cla easy. Bumbo cla. Rifle spit saliva nigga. Bumbo cla. Easy. Yeah man, Spartan boss. War. Eh? Yeah man. Eh? So run up ready, just try nigga. Yeah man, Ninja, big up yourself, nigga. To man, say them a cheap and no flick fries, nigga. Yeah, man, say. Shut a fly through flesh and a bore concrete, my youth. To you, man, don't play the thing, dog. To you. Don't get your dog get that up, you know. You see me? Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Spartan boss. Family, do your thing, dog. You see me, I say. So, family never disappoint, you know. You see me, I say, no care, bro. The nigga stay doing his thing, bro. You see me? One of the best in the game. Definitely father enough of these new generation dancehall artists, and that's facts. You see me, I say enough of them are on the dark style. MP everywhere for enough of them youth. But yeah man, big up family Sparta, the one named War, Vibes tune, Mad tune, that definitely can't replace. Most of the family tune can't get out to playlist now. And the video them always shot now. You see me? I ain't gonna lie to you, if you know Tamari started the wave of having the best videos, like the best quality videos in the dancehall. You see me, before Tamale, everybody's video quality was shit. You see me, I say? So big up Tamale, Sparta, go and do your thing, me G. Yeah man, definitely a pioneer in that thing. You see me, a legend in that game. You see me, I say? Yeah man. No joke. But people, you don't know what time it is, drop a comments in the comment section. Let me know anything about the one. You see me, I say? If you like it, definitely go show the artist some love and support. Make you know say Jambisco and send it. You see me, you know a code. You see me, I say? You see pray. Yeah man, people. So you know, make you know say we send you. If you like, drop a favorite the comments, drop a favorite part, beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff. Favorite part of the video, all that good stuff. You know what I'm saying? Yeah man, and drop your request so you can get your shout out. You already know what time it is. Your boy Jambisco. Till next time, gang. Take care of yourself and each other, guys.
Me, I always tell the truth, even when I lie.